Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our retired demo service vehicles, the 2019 Chevy Traverse 1 LS. This Traverse only has 2,330 miles on it and is being sold as new with warranty at Apple Chevrolet. All Apple customers will receive over $3,700 in savings on this front wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine. It does have back tinted windows as well. When we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have cloth seating with that tan lining throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.